How's it going, guys? My name is Eric and welcome to Unique Auto Detailing's YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a headlight restoration. I'm gonna show you the state of the headlight right now. It's in pretty bad condition. So this car has over 10 years, so you already know the headlights are gone. So let me show you the headlights right now. All right, guys, so sorry for the noise, by the way. This is what we're working with. I mean, you can see it looks worse in person, let me tell you that, but you can tell it's gone. So I already did that one, so let me show you. This is the van. So I'm gonna show you how to take it to this. You see, it looks brand new. Obviously there's a few spots that you cannot do anything because it has over 10 years, and you know, like, you do what you can. But look at that, before, after. I mean, come on, it's a huge difference. I have my table here with all my utensils, tools, and products. So I'm a teacher right now. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So the first thing you have to do is tape the surroundings of the headlight. You do not want to sand down any of the paint. Okay. So you gotta tape it. If you're a beginner, just do double tape, so you're safe. All right. After that, we're gonna do a wet sanding. So you'll need 1,000 grit paper, sanding paper, 1,500 sanding paper, and 2,000 sanding paper. Okay, you're gonna need a heavy cut. You could use whatever. I'm using this from PRODCUTS. You do heavy cut, and then you're gonna use a polish. When you're done with that, you have to protect the headlight. So in this case, this is the only product I have from Chemical, guys. It works pretty good, so I'm gonna apply this. It's a sealant. It lasts up to 12 months. So yeah, you can either put a ceramic coating or whatever you want, a wax, a sealant. So I'm gonna be using this. So you need sanding paper, right? 1,000, 1,500, and 2,000. You need tape. You need heavy compound, and you need polishing compound. And that's it. And the protection, which is a sealant, whatever, right? So the first step is gonna be tape up the car. Let's get it. Okay, guys, you also need water, right? So you're gonna spray your headlight. You're gonna use a lot of water, just know that. You're gonna use this headlight, spray it. You're gonna get your 1,000 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna use this ceramic coating block just to put it on top. I'm gonna wrap that around, wet that, and you're gonna start sanding. I like to do horizontal from side to side. You see all the gunk coming out. Oh. I don't like to apply pressure, just let it glide. Like when you're cleaning, same concept. I know there's sanding machines, but I just like to do it by hand. I don't know why. I just have more control, but you can get one of those. All right, guys, just make sure you're sanding evenly, because let's say you went through 1,000, 1,500, and you're in 2,000, right? If there's marks from 1,000 grit, you have to go all the way down. So you have to do 1,500 and 1,000, already being in 2,000. So you want to make sure it's evenly. You have patience with this. Headlight restoration, it's a service that it looks easier than it is. Do not get scared. I mean, it's not super hard, but it requires practice. All right, so practice on your mom's car, everyone's car, before you offer service. If you're a detailer, if you're a weekend warrior, I mean, it's your car, so you can go ahead and try it. Also, guys, we're at our customer's location. Luckily for us, they're sleeping. So we got time. That's why I decided to record this YouTube video for you guys, so stay tuned. All right, guys, if after the 1,000 sanding grit paper is looking like this, you're doing a great job. So look, it looks even, you see? So now we're gonna jump into 1500. All right guys, so right now I'm done with the 1500 grit. As you can see, it's even and nice. If it looks like this, you're doing a great job. All right, so right now I'm gonna jump into the 2000 grit. Let's get it done. All right guys, we're done with the 2000 grit paper. So I'm gonna remove the tape. If you're a beginner, just leave the tape. I just know how to polish and the tape bothers me. So I'm just gonna remove it for my one step. In a headlight, you should always do a two-step. You're gonna dry your headlight. So now I'm gonna grab my 3-inch polisher, a wool 3-inch pad, and we're gonna start to do the heavy compound step. So you grab your heavy compound, just put like 4 drops. Boom, 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 just like that. So you want to spread your compound. I'm gonna put it in speed 1 so I can spread the compound evenly. Alright guys, I forgot to record when I was wiping down, but after the heavy cutting stage, look how it looks. It looks practically ready, but I like to polish after, or you should, because when you do a heavy compound, you leave some micro scratches, so the polish is gonna take care of those micro scratches and it's gonna give it more gloss and that final touch, you know. So I'm gonna switch my pad from the wool pad to, I think this is like a medium cut pad, and I'm gonna use this all-in-one, which already leaves a protection behind, but I just like to put a sealant on top just to be sure. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 1 in the middle. Don't be cheap, okay? And then same thing. Just spread it around. Put it in 1. Spread out the polish. Hit 5. Now we're gonna wipe the compound off and check out the result. Boom. Just like that. You get a brand new headlight. I mean, bro, check that out. I don't know why it has some glass in there, but not my problem. But look at that. Look at that, guys. Looks brand new. So what I'm gonna do when I have the desired result, I'm gonna take out the medium cut pad and I'm gonna put, and I'm gonna get a finishing pad, put it in the polisher, boom. Get your sealant, wax, ceramic coating, whatever you want. Obviously you're not gonna put a ceramic coating with this, but you get the point. Gonna protect the headlights, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. And now you're gonna spread the sealant so the headlight is protected and it's ready to go. I think think I put a little too much, but the more the merrier, right? So boom, speed 1. Turn on your polisher, spread it out. Right, when it's evenly, turn off your polisher. We're gonna wait 15 minutes for the sealant to dry, and I'll show you the final result. Okay guys, so now the sealant has dried. We're gonna remove it and see how it looks. Wow. So now you have a perfect, protected, looking great. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments and I'll get back to you. This was Eric from Unicato Detailing. Have a great one. Peace.